Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So before I get started with the video, this is going to be my part of our series of the trade breakdown. This is episode 11. So it's where I'm going to go over everything that encompassed this momentum trade, how I found the stock, why I liked the stock. We're going to go over all that, the float, everything that I look at, everything that goes through my head before I take a trade, where I'm going to look to get out, and the type of trade that I'm looking to get. Every trade has a specific type of pattern I'm trading, whether it's a bull flag, a flat top breakout, the break of the whole dollar. Which is what this trade was. Everything has a story and, experience, and watching videos like this. That's how you learn how to trade. Now, this is a specific strategy. This is a momentum strategy. This is what I am best at. This is something that, you can really make a lot of money on in a very, very short time. Which is great for me because, trading part-time, I don't have that much time to be here at the computers. So let's just dive right into it. Hit the thumbs up for the video. I really appreciate you guys watching. About 30 minutes ago, I got the booster shot. So my third shot for Pfizer. So shout out to PFE. And also, I got it at CVS. Another shout out to CVS. Me and my wife both got our booster shots today, and we ended up spending another $100 in the store because they force you to wait 15 minutes after you get your shot. So what are you going to do for 15 minutes? You're walking up and down the aisles. Here's a multivitamin. Here's a magazine. Here's this. Here's that. And then, that's just what happens. So it's going to be great for CVS's earnings, whenever CVS has their earnings. So with that being said, let's get right into it. I'm going to try to do this video quicker, but it is what it is. It might take some time. So, really quickly here, this is what I have here on my watch list. I have my scanners built into my watch lists. So this is my pre-market movers. That's for the pre-market. That's not current. That's not accurate for right now. This is just the pre-market. And at that time, you will see the top gappers. The way that I do it is by mark percent change. That is how I sort my criteria from the top down. I want to be trading the most volume. I want to be trading the lowest float. And I want to be trading the stocks that are gapping up the most, hopefully on some kind of good catalyst. And that's what we did today on ticker symbol IINN. And the trade got me $265. And I will show you exactly when I got in. Now, looking at this chart now, because after I took the trade, that's it. I'm done. I'm not even looking at the market anymore. I had so many things to do today. But I can already see here from where I sold it, it went up another $2 a share. So that's $2,000 extra dollars of, potential profit. I'm just not in these to buy and hold them, but we'll get into that in a second. Now, I also have here my momentum scanner. This is a scanner that really mimics warrior trading. It mimics trade ideas. These are stocks that are hitting high of day on a lot of volume. So you can see here the top stock on the momentum scanner is currently at high of day on high relative volume. These scanners, go back, watch my video, how you can do this if you have Thinkorswim. It's my top watched video. It's got over 25,000 views. It is excellent. I highly recommend you guys get some kind of momentum scanner if you are trading momentum. So anyway, the pre-market movers. This stock, IINN, was the second leading gapper in the morning. The top gapper, I forget what it was, but I didn't love it. I didn't like the daily chart on it. This one, I really liked the float. The float was low. I really liked the headline, and I liked when it came out. So it came out at 7:31. And you can see here at 9 a.m., the same headline. So at 7:31, before a lot of traders are even up, this came out. So let's take a look at this on the bigger picture. And I really did like this daily chart because you're looking at blue skies that are pretty close to where we were trading. So, there's not as much overhead supply and people looking to bail out as the price pumps up. So I really liked the daily chart on this. I also, let's see here. I liked the catalyst. I liked the float. I liked the daily chart. Let's look at it on the 1 minute. Now, when I was trading this, it was sort of extended, you can say, but it was also pulling back and then breaking out. When I took this trade, here. I'm sorry. So when I took the trade, it was breaking out really, really nicely. Like I said, that fresh news at 7:35. A lot of times, if you're trading momentum stocks, you want to be in those stocks when they're fresh, when they're really, really moving and they're popping up on other traders' scanners. And that's what happened here. That's why I really, really liked this here. Let's put in my trades so we could get a better idea of when I entered, when I exited. Very nice move right here. Very nice. This is a nice, this would be a flat top breakout right here. Very nice trade right there. Same thing goes for right here. These are nice setups. These are nice setups. I'm sure that the 5-minute chart must have looked really, really extended during this move, but this is a nice, great gap. This is a great gap up from 275 over 100% at the highs. Beautiful. We love to see this. I love to see this in the pre-market, especially. Just wish I had more time to trade because I could have just ripped this thing apart with this type of pattern today. This is a nice lull here, back to VWAP. Probably set up a nice 5-minute chart. Let's just look at that because I do look at the 5-minute chart as well. Yeah, so this is just a nice setup here. You had the pullback and then you broke out of this level right here, 418. You notice how the 5-minute candles do not break that 418 level. I'll just draw this out here. Right here, so 5, 10 for 15 minutes. But what it is, it's holding up. It's not totally rolling over. It's over the 9 on the 5-minute. It's definitely holding up here nicely for that first break of the 5-minute candle, holds it, and then just runs. So this is nice. This is a nice 5-minute setup. And obviously the 1 minute is what I was doing. This is a 2-minute trade. 2 minutes this trade was. And this trade was a very specific trade for me. This trade was the break of the whole dollar. The break of $4, that was the trade. So I was trying on a break of $4, on the break of any dollar amount. I'm looking for it to get up to that quarter. So after, the break of 4, I would be looking for it to hold up, get over 410, hold up 410. If that holds, then I'm looking to take profits into the 420s if I could get it. And that's what we did here. So this was a nice trade. On 1,000 shares, saw the bids coming in, and it had every indication of looking to me from experience and everything else. The level 2, the price action, the volume, everything was looking very nice for that break of $4. And that's what we got. I took my profit. I didn't get greedy. I'm not going to sit here and hold this all day. This would have came back down. This would have came down below my entry, even though that's only 10 cents below my entry, but then provided ample opportunities. This looks like it was a very, I don't want to say it was easy to trade, because just because a chart looks easy does not mean it is. And if you did lose money on IINN today, we all have. Even if it looks beautiful like this, it still is very easy to lose money on momentum stocks. That's why I like to get in and out. If you've noticed in my trades, I like to get in and out within a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. The quicker I get out, that means that my trade was even better. So that's basically it. The float. So, and I also want to show you guys here, we have a Discord that, I went on, shared my my call out here. We have call outs only at 8:52. So if you saw this at, 7:52. If you saw this at that time, well, it did go up a lot more after that. So, hopefully some people got on that. I wasn't able to spend too much time in here today, but there's a lot going on, all day here with this. And, I have my daily chart levels. You guys can check that out if you want. The link will be in the description. It's literally $99, one-time payment, and that's it. So I hope that you guys, took in this video. I did the best to my ability to teach it. If I left anything out, ask me in the comment section. I'll go in. I answer every single comment that you guys leave. And I do appreciate everybody watching and hitting the thumbs up for me. It means a lot. So that's it, guys. IINN, a 2-minute trade, $265 in the green. So that's it. Take care, guys.